Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What is the topic? Today we are going to talk about material requirements planning. Let's talk about the definition. Material requirements planning, MRP, is a system that helps businesses plan and manage their production process. It ensures they have the right materials in the right quantities at the right time to meet customer demand. MRP calculates the materials needed, how much is needed, and when they are needed in the manufacturing process. Now, let's understand with a simple example. Imagine a bicycle company. They need various parts like frames, wheels, and seats to make a bicycle. MRP is like a smart assistant that helps them through several stages. There are total 4 stages are there. 1. Plan production. It figures out how many bikes to make each month based on customer demand. 2. Check inventory. It sees if they have enough parts to make the bikes. 3. Order parts. If they're missing parts, it automatically orders them from suppliers. 4. Schedule production. It plans the production process, ensuring they have everything ready on time. This way, the company can efficiently produce bikes and deliver them to customers without any delays or shortages. Let's talk about advantages. 1. Right materials, right time. MRP ensures the materials needed for production are available exactly when required, preventing delays. 2. Saves money on inventory. It avoids having too much or too little stock, reducing storage costs and waste. 3. Smooth production process. By organizing material availability, it helps factories run efficiently without interruptions. 4. Improves customer satisfaction. Products are delivered on time, keeping customers happy and loyal. 5. Easy tracking of materials. MRP systems make it simple to track what materials are in stock and what needs to be ordered. Let's talk about disadvantages. 1. Needs accurate data. If the input data is wrong, the whole plan can fail, leading to production problems. 2. High setup and maintenance costs. Installing and running an MRP system can be expensive, especially for small businesses. 3. Skilled staff required. It needs trained employees who know how to operate and manage the system properly. 4. Not flexible to sudden changes. MRP struggles when customer demand changes suddenly or unpredictably. 5. Challenging upgrades. Updating or integrating the system with other software can be complex and time-consuming. Let's talk about need of materials requirement planning. 1. Avoids production delays. MRP ensures materials are always available, so production doesn't stop unexpectedly. 2. Manages complex supply chains. It simplifies handling multiple suppliers and materials in large-scale operations. 3. Prevents stock problems. It avoids issues like running out of materials or overstocking, keeping the system balanced. 4. Adapts to customer demands. MRP allows quick adjustments to meet changing customer needs. 5. Keeps businesses competitive. By streamlining production and reducing costs, it helps companies stay ahead in the market. Let's talk importance. 1. Better use of resources. MRP helps businesses use materials efficiently, reducing waste and saving money. 2. Keeps production on schedule. It ensures production runs smoothly, meeting delivery timelines without delays. 3. Reduces waste. By managing inventory wisely, it minimizes unnecessary material use and costs. 4. Easier cost management. It helps businesses control production costs and plan budgets effectively. 5. Support supply chain planning. MRP is crucial for organizing and improving supply chain operations. That's all for today, guys. Please like and share this video to your friends. Let's again meet in our next video. Have a good day.